Well, it's a beautiful day in my neighborhood. Hope it's a beautiful day in your neighborhood, maybe for some cycling or to cut the lawn. My wife is busy cutting the lawn right now. Thank you, Mary. Did a good job here. And you might be wondering, well, how do I get a lawn to look like that? And the answer is, you start with good seed. So here, I put down some triple mix. It's not actually triple mix, it's lawn soil. And lawn soil in this case is mushroom compost cut with some sand, about 30% sand. And I put it down about 2 centimeters thick, and I use this. It's a wonderful grass seed, and whatever you do, use good quality grass seed. It just makes all the difference in the world. There's lots of cheap grass seed out there, and you'll get a cheap looking lawn. Good permanent lawn that lasts for years and years and years. It's an expensive one in the first place, but this CIL Iron Plus product is fantastic. And I'm just telling you, it's the best quality I've experienced. And if you don't want to do this whole thing with the triple mix or lawn soil, you want to skip all that, then try this product. It's called CIL Iron Plus 4-in-1. And yeah, that's my ugly mug on the bag. So I'm going to tell you it's the best product of its kind on the market that I've experienced, because it is. I've never used anything quite like it. It's made in Canada by Premier Tech. And the magic of this is it contains that same seed, that premium quality Iron Plus, CIL Iron Plus grass seed, and pelletized compost, which expands on contact with water, so it eliminates that need for all the compost, for, in this case, the lawn soil. It also has a charge of nitrogen in it, 10% nitrogen, which will last 4 weeks, and we'll feed it as it germinates. It'll germinate quite quickly too, by the way. Within about 10 days, 2 weeks, you should see some seed coming up. And the last thing I want to mention is the iron, fabulous quality iron, that the plant is able to take up, and it gives the plant that deep green color. So Mark Cullen, for a beautiful lawn, if you got one that's a little bit thin and you want it to look like this, CIL Iron Plus 4-in-1, or just the plain old grass seed, which isn't so plain. Mark Cullen and Ben Cullen, markcullen.com.